The latest updates from the world of AI are finally here. 5 stories, 1 briefing, let's get moving. The race for superintelligence just hit warp. Meta Watermelon model matches top AI benchmarks. Meta is developing a new model codenamed Watermelon. It currently rivals the benchmark scores of OpenAI's GPT 5.5. This system consumes significantly more compute than previous efforts. This signals a major leap in Meta's technical scaling. It shows the company closing the gap on the absolute frontier. Researchers must now contend with an accelerated arms race. Massive infrastructure requirements are becoming the new baseline for top-tier results. Investment in raw power is clearly paying off. Next up, Anthropic eyes Samsung chip partnership. Silicon supply chains are getting a shakeup. Anthropic seeks custom silicon partnership with Samsung. Anthropic is scouting alternatives for its compute stack. It recently held talks with Samsung regarding custom silicon development. Current hardware still leans on giants like NVIDIA and Google. Building bespoke hardware reduces reliance on existing bottlenecks. This move signals a shift toward vertical integration. Hardware engineers must adapt to specialized chip designs. The transition demands new optimization layers across existing AI models. Model performance now requires tailored physical infrastructure. Next up, AI auto-research limitations. Automated problem-solving is hitting a wall. AI agents struggle with ill-defined problems. A researcher put auto-research to the test on complex tasks. It excels only when a problem provides a clear, gradient path to success. Most real-world goals lack these tight constraints. Companies face a reality check on agent productivity. Without a precise metric, these loops often drift into inefficiency. Developers now pivot from broad prompts to defining rigid evaluation metrics. Success depends on the math, not the model. Don't outsource logic tasks that lack quantifiable feedback. Next up, agent workflow engineering. Engineers are redefining how software agents operate. sglang introduces executable agent skill files. The sglang team transforms complex agent logic into reusable skill files. These artifacts capture procedural engineering knowledge as executable contracts. Developers now treat workflows as testable code instead of abstract ideas. This shift brings discipline to unpredictable agent behavior. It turns experimental automation into reliable and repeatable production systems. Developers now utilize review loops and benchmark contracts to stress test their agent logic. It forces a rigorous focus on procedural accuracy during the build phase. Reliability becomes the new standard for AI agents. Next up, Laguna XS 2.1 release. Your coding agent just got a massive upgrade. Laguna XS 2.1 boosts AI coding efficiency. Poolside released Laguna XS 2.1 for agentic workflows. It hits 63% on SWE Bench multilingual. This model specifically targets long-horizon coding tasks. Developers gain more reliable automation for complex builds. It brings precision to heavy-duty programming projects. Engineers now run high-performance models on resource-constrained hardware. It simplifies how teams integrate agents into local environments. Open access is driving the next leap in autonomous software engineering. Catch the next breakdown whenever the landscape shifts again.